The grass is so tall inside the pan here. Yeah? The water make the grass them grow so tall. Trust me. Yep. Me myself out to drop. Alright, my viewers. Yeah man, give you guys a touch of the kitchen garden right here. Plant this mint lately, Cologne mint. It's a mint that tastes have a strong smell. Yeah, smell very nice. If you just walk and brush against it, you smell it. Yeah, Cologne mint. Yeah, nice to make tea, you know what I mean? Yeah. I have some okra that I plant lately. Yeah. And I have some cucumber that I plant lately inside here. Yeah. Cucumber. Pumpkin vine is running. Yeah. Okra and cucumber. Plant lately. Alright. My callaloo is blooming nicely. Oh, I have a tomato here, can pick. Yeah man. Yeah. And my fish tank. Yeah. The water kind of change color. Don't know, I have to change the water late soon, very soon. Yeah, but keep watching. Have this drum here. Might be put some fish inside here also. Yeah man, stick and stay. The beautiful sight of okra blossoming. Yeah? Give you the full view of the pond. Yep. Whoa. 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 Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel Jamaican Farmers Hut. In this video it's all about, I have a pond at the back of my yard, and trust me, we throw some fish in there about a couple months ago back, and trust me, they get so big now, it is time to buy the hook and the line to go and try the pond. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go to the pond right now and show you guys what's going on. Yeah, there's some pan coat inside here. So I'm gonna show you how the pan look, how it stay and so forth. Stick and stay. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yes, my viewers, live in living colors. Yeah. Gonna bring you to the pan to show you what's going on inside the pan here. This pan, throw some fish inside a good while now. And trust me, you don't want to see the size of the fish then. Yeah man, big fish inside there. Yeah. Big fish inside there, my brother. Big fish inside there, my sister. Line up on yourself, you know. Right now, you can stay at the edge of the pond and look across and see the fish them. I'm going to go around the other side to show you guys what's going on. You can see the fish. Especially you can see a yellow fish inside the water. Alright. So I'm going to go around the other side, see if I can see anyone. Can't see any one of the fish. Yeah. As you can see on the top of the water. Whoa. I'm going to see if I can go any closer to show you what's going on, but fish is inside there. Yeah, so my plan is I'm going to buy some hook and line. Yeah. Because I guess I'm going to do some fishing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guava, my viewers. Lots of guava, my viewers. Yeah. Guava, my viewers. Guava. Guava on tree. And guava drop off a tree. Alright. Before I show you what's going on, guys, let me see if I can catch one of these guava here. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Guava, whole heap of guava. My viewers, whole heap of guava, my viewers. Never know see this guava tree bear so much. Whoa, look at that. Eh? Guava. My viewers, guava. Yes, I. This is how I love my guava, you know. Yeah? Yeah, man, whole heap of guava in a tree. Alright? Come back to the pan. Show you closely what's going on here. There's some pancoot. Let me show you a pancoot here. Here's a pancoot. Whoa. I guess he's bathing. And there's the next one out to the hen. Yeah, you hear them? Yes, guys. This pan having some fish inside and it seems like them fish here grow and get bigger. It is time to test the pan. See if I can catch 3 dozen. Yes, my viewers. So it's all about going to buy some hook and line. Yeah. Here's the next little patch of water over there. Yeah, right over there. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Going to get some hook and line to test this pan. But I have to wait till the water draw a little more because I'm not going into the water, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm have to go use a run out. Test the water, but this guy passing say he see one of the fish. One of the yellow one, and a lady live nearby says she always see the yellow one come up in the early morning. Yeah, so it's all about. Well, I guess it's the red one. Yeah, you know those red fish that them raise. Yeah, there's a lot of them inside there. Yeah, man, there's a lot of pancoot inside there. Even turtle, pan turtle inside here also. So I'm going to get my hook and line because I need to do some fishing here. Yeah? Fishing is fun, don't it? Yeah, man, fishing is fun. I love fishing. Just for the fun of it, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, man. Nice view of the pond. So stick and stay, my viewers, because I'm gonna get some hook and line. And when I'm coming back the next time, I'm gonna have my camera set up. You know, to show the first one that I catch on line. Yeah? Yeah, man, the fish them come up on the water when they're ready, you know. Yeah. Come up and take a dive and go down back. Yeah. But here now on the water is too pancoot. Having them like a one time, you know what I mean? Yeah, let's zoom out back. Give you the full view of the pond. Yep. Whoa. 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 It is 3 of them now. 3 of them now, my viewers. Yeah. 4. Whoa, see the next one come up over there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Live in living colors in the Sunday morning. I say big red. Yeah. Whole pancoot inside of me, people. Some people eat them, but never eat a pancoot before. Yeah. All I need is 2 of the fish. You know what I mean? Yes, I. Watch this one here. Watch this one here. Swimming away. Yeah. It's all about pancoot, my viewers. Yep. So yes, my viewers, as I said before, going to get some line and some hooks because I need to test this pan. Yeah, there's a lot of fish. The last time this pan draw, yeah, those guys throw net inside here and catch them out. Big fish, yeah. We about a pound. Yeah man, so this time I'm gonna be the one to test it with line and hook this time, you know what I mean? Yeah. I'm gonna be that fisher guy, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm not a fisherman, I'm a fisher guy. That's what I'm saying. Because it is totally two different things. A fisherman and a fisher guy. A fisherman is a person that in the sea like every day or in the pond, in the lake, catching fish. But a fisher guy, just now and then him throw him line, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I and I is a fisher guy. Yeah? Yes I am. I mean, my viewers and subscribers, pick up on yourself here. Yeah man, whole love and respect to the item. Yep. Yeah man, Jamaican farmers out, don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out, alright? Yeah? Alright, at this time is only pan coat on the top here. Yeah? So the next time around, I will be throwing out my line. You will see me in living colors throwing out my line to test the pan, see if I can catch anything. Yeah? All I need to do just to go and dig some bait, put on my hook. I don't know if I'm going to use one hook or two hook, you know? Yeah, throw it out inside here. Put on the floater about 2 feet down. Yeah, so the hook is going to be, the floater is going to be 2 feet away from the hook. Or even a foot and a half. Yeah. Yeah, man. That's what I said before. I'm not a fisherman. I'm just a fisher guy. Seen? Yeah, man. So yes, my viewers. So stay tuned. Sometime around you will see me catching some fish out here. You know, drying up some nice perch or some nice bass. Yeah, some bass fish. Yeah, very big and broad and fat. You know what I mean? Even some tilapia, because some tilapia inside here. You know what I mean? The race fish. Yeah. Yeah man, there is all type of fish inside here. Yeah, the sky is very blue at this time. Yeah. Yeah, a little cloud inside here, but you don't know. Alright, my viewers, stay tuned. And don't forget the next time around. Don't forget the next time around you're gonna see me with my hook and line, alright? Yeah man, it's all about pan coat at this time. But stick and stay. You're gonna see me with my hook and my line the next time. Jamaican farmers out. My viewers and my subscribers them. All for love and respect. Big up on yourself. Me out for right now and thank you all for watching. Peace. I'm out.